Stu Finer, ready to rock and roll with winning action for Sunday, September 8th. Sorry I'm late doing the video. Been up since 5 in the morning, collecting money, collecting cash, cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. We are on an epic start to the 2013-2014 NFL season as the Godfather again wins his seventh straight football best bet to open the season without their quarterback as Ohio State covers the number easily. Now listen. This is right out of the horse's mouth. This is right out of the Godfather's mouth. He said, all the money that he has made the entire general public, the betting world, over the last 7 winners should be put on 1 o'clock Eastern, the winner of the Pittsburgh Steelers, Tennessee Titans. The Godfather is guaranteeing this game will be a rout, a burial, a blowout. If he's going with Pittsburgh, they win by 21. If he's going with Tennessee, they win outright by 10. And you bet them on the money line. Listen. I am not charging $10,000 for the game or $1,000. I am only charging $199 for a game that all my 10-dime bettors are betting 10 dimes on. All my 50-dime bettors are betting 50,000 on. All my $100,000 bettors are betting 100,000 on. And the 4 or 5 clients I have in the house that can bet $500,000 are betting 500,000. Make the biggest bet of your life on this game. The Godfather's game of his career. The winner of Pittsburgh, Tennessee at 1 o'clock Eastern. Also, the Godfather nailed yesterday. Georgia, pissing all over South Carolina. And I'm telling you right now, I am ready to sweep the card. I am ready to go a perfect 3-0 today. 2 1 o'clock games and the Sunday night winner between Dallas Cowboys, New York Giants. I have key critical information on these games. So I will go 3-0. The Godfather will go 1-0. But the main game you're focusing on, if you never bet another game in your life, is the Godfather's best bet. Going for 8 in a row. 8 in a row. Now look at the card today because it's quite interesting. On the free pick phone right now, I'm going to give you both 425 games. There's only 2 afternoon games besides the Sunday night game tonight between Dallas and the Giants. Green Bay, San Fran, Arizona, St. Louis, absolutely free on the free pick phone, 800-982-2211, 800-982-2211. On the video blog, I give you right now the winner of the U.S. Open.